Welcome to my channel Infinite Learning.
Did you know that we should not see a solar eclipse with a naked eye because sun's ray can damage our retina? Therefore, to see solar eclipse, we should use a special type of glasses which is called solar viewer, which provide protection from sun's ray. But I know that many peoples have not solar viewer, so how we can see solar eclipse without solar viewer? Don't worry, in this video we will learn how to make a device to see solar eclipse without using any solar viewer. You can see the sun ray is falling on the white sheet. Basically you cannot see exactly solar eclipse, but you can observe the solar eclipse with the help of this device. So let's see how to make this device. The materials which are required to make this device are black marker, a white sheet, aluminum foil, Fevicol, a scissor, a transparent tape, and a cylindrical cardboard. First step, you have to make some region in the shape of gate to see the sun ray. And now cut this region. Now place this cardboard on the white sheet and make a circle around the cardboard by using marker. And cut this. Now paste this sheet in here by using Fevicol. Now take some aluminum foil and paste on the cardboard by using tape. Now make a little hole on the center of the aluminum foil. Now our device is ready. Make sure that the sun ray is falling on the hole of the aluminum sheet.